everyone and welcome back to the new video of this channel. So today we will be solving a problem which is sum of the left leaves. Leetcode 404 problem. So let's see the problem statement. So problem is said that we have given a root of a binary tree. We have to return the sum of the left leaves. So leaf is that particular node that the left child of and the right child doesn't exist of that leaf node. It means a leaf node is a node with no children. A leaf node, the left leaf is a leaf and that is the left child of the another node. So let's see this example. So we have given this example. We have given this a tree. So we have to find the sum of the leaves node. Leaf node is that node their left child and the right child doesn't exist. It means you can see here at the node 9 left child is null and also right child is also null. And 15 left child is null and also right child is null. So 9 plus 15 will be our answer, which is 24, because we have to find the sum of the left leaf nodes. So here what we can do is we can traverse this root node and we can check like we can call a function for left node and also the right node, and we can check like if the particular node ka left child or right child null hai, then in that case we will add up the answer, and otherwise we will return, otherwise we will not add up. So what we can do is we can create a answer function, and we also can create a function like solve function. In solve function we will pass root node and also answer. So now we have to return this. So let's return the solve function. Now what I can do is I can create a function which is a solve, and in solve function I can pass this root node and also answer. Now what I can do is I can check some conditions like if root equals to null, if sorry, if my root equals to null, in that case I can simply say it will return 0, because if left child and the right child doesn't exist in that case. Now what I can do is I can check another condition like if root ka left exists not equals to null, or we can say root ka left exists directly, and then root ka left doesn't exist, and also root ka left ka right doesn't exist. It means that node is a leaf node, because see we have to find the sum of the left leaves. So we will always go to the left, and now we will check like if root ka left exists and root ka left doesn't exist. It means root ka left 0 है और root ka left का right also 0 है, means null है. In that case that is a लीफ नोड, बिकॉज लीफ नोड का लेफ्ट वाला चाइल्ड और राइट वाला चाइल्ड होता नहीं है. इन दैट केस आंसर प्लस इक्वल्स टू रूट के लेफ्ट की वैल्यू. Now we can call a function like if root ka left exists, then solve of root ka left comma answer, and as same as if root ka right exists, then in that case we can call a function root dot right comma answer. So that will be my code, and finally we will return our answer. So now let's see. So it is giving me something wrong. Okay, so let's see why it is giving me. This is the answer plus equals to, then this is also correct. So now let's again run this code and see if this will work out. Okay, it is working perfect. Let's submit this code. Now you can see it is working perfect. So In this problem, what I've done is the first condition is for leaf node is leaf का left node doesn't exist नहीं करना चाहिए, leaf का right node exist नहीं करना चाहिए. In that case, that node is a leaf node. Now I'll check like if my root is null. In that case, I will simply return 0. Now I'll check like again if I'll go to the left node because I have to find the sum of the left leaves node. So root का left exist करना चाहिए and root का left it means that node is a root का left. It means root का left this one root this is the root का left then root का left and root का left का right. ये exist नहीं करने चाहिए. It means that node is a leaf node. In that case, I'll simply add up the value of that particular node in my answer, and now I'll call a function for left and also I'll call a function for right, and finally I'll return our answer. So that was the code. If you find this helpful, then please like, share, and subscribe.